Hey, what's up everybody? Today I want to do something a little bit different. Usually I show you an exercise and talk about the muscle's works, but today I want to take a step back and talk about what exactly is a muscle. Let's get to it.
A definition of muscle that most people are probably familiar with is a tissue composed of cells or fibers, the contraction of which produces movement in the body. Now, this is the definition of skeletal muscle, also known as voluntary muscle, which is what we will be talking about today for simplicity's sake. But we also have smooth muscle, sometimes called involuntary muscle, and cardiac muscle. These muscle types all vary in structure and function. Smooth muscle performs a variety of function and is found all over the body, some examples being in blood vessels and organs, including the stomach and skin. You do not have conscious control over these functions, which is why smooth muscle is involuntary. Cardiac muscle, only found in the heart, is also involuntary, but from a structural standpoint is more similar to skeletal muscle than smooth muscle. The function of skeletal muscle is rather straightforward, but is worth stating again. In this diagram, you can see that the muscle is connected by the tendon directly to the bone. When the muscle contracts, it pulls on the bone and allows us to perform movements ranging from squats to presses and even small movements of the hand. But it also provides structure, which is necessary for simply standing up and maintaining posture. This means without skeletal muscle, the human body would collapse under its own weight. In addition, the skeletal muscle protects our internal organs, and there are several that assist with breathing. When considering the structure of skeletal muscle, it is best to start by looking at the whole muscle. Starting from the outermost layer, we see the epimysium. Having some knowledge of Greek and Latin roots is beneficial in learning anatomy. In this case, epimysium comes from the terms epi, meaning upon, and mys or myo, meaning muscle. The epimysium is a sheath of connective tissue that surrounds the entire muscle, and it is continuous with both the tendon as well as the fascia. The fascia is another layer of fibrous tissue that connects muscles, organs, and other structures of the body. This example shows the thoracolumbar fascia between the trapezius and latissimus dorsi muscles. Moving inwards, we see bundles of muscle fibers, which are known as fascicles. Each fascicle is wrapped with yet another layer of connective tissue known as the perimysium. Here, the prefix peri means around. Within the fascicle surrounding each individual muscle fiber is, you guessed it, more connective tissue called endomysium. In this case, the prefix endo means inside. The many layers of connective tissue come together to form the tendon while housing and providing structure to blood vessels and nerves, which are necessary for the muscle to function properly. Muscle fibers, or myocytes, have their own complex anatomy, but that will be a topic for another day.
If you like this video, let me know down in the comments and subscribe so you don't miss any future videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.